Hello, everyone. The scripture I want to share is Revelations chapter 21, verses 4. He will wipe every tear from their eyes. There will be no more death, or mourning, or crying, or pain, for the old order of things has passed away. 啟示錄21章第4節，神要擦去他們一切的眼淚，不再有死亡，也不再有悲哀、哭號、疼痛，因為以前的事都過去了。Hope this brings comfort to others.